So, I hate to break this to you, but you need to have some friends, especially if you want to be successful or if you want to have a lot of money. One of the more important aspects of building your own business online, especially in YouTube, reason is if you network, people can come to your page and they can learn things and you can sell them things and you can make subscribers and then repeat the process ad infinitum. So anyway, the idea is that you go out and network. How do you network successfully? There's a couple ways I know, and it's kind of hard to recommend one. For example, the best way, I think, for anyone in my situation to network with other people is to extend an olive branch. In other words, find somebody who has their own small business. Maybe it's teaching how to market online. Once you have a decent audience, and say, you know what? Hi, Jerry, I would like to offer your product to my customers with maybe a small commission on the side, or, you know, that small commission, or maybe a free version of your product from me. But I'm not sure I'm doing it right. Can you maybe give me some advice? And most people who sell affiliate products, entry-level ones, will have material for you. They will have tricks. They will have secrets. They will have little tips. They might even have mailing lists. The point is, talk to somebody. Another way you can network is to start a debate. In other words, bring up something controversial. Bring up that SEO is dead. It doesn't work. There's no way it would work. You guys are stupid for thinking it would work. Google's too smart for you. And then start citing people as sources. You know, I'm kind of out of the SEO scene, but you cite some people and you say, well, they said this, this, and this. It's not hard. And then maybe you offer a counterpoint in your video so you don't seem like a complete fucking ass. Excuse me. But controversy works. And it can develop friends. Wow. Those people drive like crap. Anyway, third thing you need to do with networking, or third thing you can try, is to simply comment on shit in a nice way that you would like to hear. So in other words, you go on YouTube, you find a video, and you say, you know what, that's a really cool video. I never thought that you could build a house out of 12 flower pots and a tin can and a rabbit's paw. That's crazy. You should make more videos like this, or something to that effect. I'm going to tell you, as a creator, it's really great to get a comment. It doesn't matter if it's a small comment. Any kind of comment is validation that you're doing the right thing, and that does help. Now, if it's a negative comment, you're just going to be an asshole and no one's going to like you. Just move on to the next video and don't leave a negative comment. Unless it's constructive, in which case it's not negative, is it? So why the hell does networking affect your friends and ergo how much money you can make? Because networking is all about leverage. It's about knowing the right people who can do the right things at the right time to make the right money. So, say you want to start a giant website. You don't know how many you can create content reliably. You're just fucking out there in the dark with your pants down and you're like, fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody's going to take your money and run with it. But if you network, you might be able to find a good set of content authors. You might be able to find vetted authors from billion-dollar institutes. Fuck, I don't know. You might be able to find people you wouldn't be able to find on Craigslist, in other words. And why does that affect your money? Well, number one, it limits your losses. And number two, it basically multiplies your productivity. Because you don't have to go out there looking for this or that or that. You don't have to try this guy, you don't have to try that guy, this guy, that guy, this guy. It simplifies a lot and allows you to take care of your business on your own time. So, don't be that guy who sits in the corner of the room and goes, well, fuck, I don't need you guys. I got myself. I don't need to talk to any of you. And act like a scared little shit. Talk to people. Network. Get on Instagram. Start messaging people. Start DMing people. Start commenting on posts in your niche. Start making video replies to people. I wish YouTube still did that. Start some shit. You know? Any attention is good attention. And I do, well, good attention in the short run. Don't know about the long run. I guess I'll have to think about that one a little more. Anyway, I've rambled for far too long. Start networking. Start finding friends. Start finding similar voices to yours. And you'll help yourself a lot. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it. You're going to love it. And it might change how you do business online. Thank you.